In every living being's life, whether it's a human being or an animal, there is someone or something that encourages them to look forward in their life. Fellow Gavaliers, Gavalier of the Day, Toastmasters, good evening.
Good evening.
How many of you know what is the average lifespan of an eagle?
40 to 70 years.
Yeah, right. An eagle's average lifespan is for 70 years. But to live for this long, it has to go through a very hard process. In around its 40th year, its long and flexible talons starts bending, and its long and curved and sharp beak starts to bend, and its thick, heavy and old feathers starts to stick to its chest, making it hard to fly. So when this happens, it will be in a situation in which it cannot live for more years. So the eagle is left with two options: either to die or to go through a very hard process. For this process, it is required that the eagle has to go to the mountain top and sit on its nest. First, it starts hitting its beak on the rock until it plucks it out. Then, it starts plucking out its talons. Then, it starts plucking out its old age feathers. After all this is done, a new beak, new talons and new feathers come on the eagle's body. And after this, the eagle starts its famous flight of rebirth and lives for another 30 more years. And this process takes for about 4 to 5 months. Why is change needed? To live and survive. Even we should start the process of change. It is required that everyone has to not give up and look forward in life. Unlike the eagle, we have to pluck out our unpleasant memories, negative thoughts, and our fixed mindsets. Only freed from the past burdens can we live in the present. Now let me tell you an inspiring story of a poor man named Mustafa. He was from a really poor family from Kerala. His dad was a labourer and his mom was a housemaid. As his family did not have enough money to survive, he decided to stop his education at grade 6. But getting to know this decision of his, one of his teachers came to his house and encouraged him to continue his studies. After the encouragement he had got from his teacher, he decided to continue. Even though his teacher had encouraged him, everyone in school, all the students, all his friends, used to discourage him, telling him that he was very bad in studies and he was a total failure. But with this, he decided to not give up and take it as a challenge. He was the topper in grade 7, and later, when he was in grade 10, he was the school topper. Then later he continued and went for his entrance exam, in which around 50,000 students appeared, and he acquired his 62nd rank in it. Everyone was amazed and surprised to see all these achievements he had got. Then he went for engineering in IIT and he achieved a really good score. Later, he went for work in different countries all around the world, such as the UK, US, Europe, etc., and worked in multinational companies. Then, after a few years, he decided to resign because he had a feeling that he has to do something for his society. Then he went back to India without any plan in his mind. His parents and his friends and his wife discouraged him and asked him why he had left his job and how they would live further. He went to Bangalore, and once when he went to a shop, he saw batters in the shop which people were least interested to buy. He discussed this with his friends and decided to start up a business of selling batter in the name ID Batter. He started making batters and made sure that it was of high quality. And when he started to give it to the sellers, they refused to take it as people were least interested in buying it, and it was not so good for marketing. But he pleaded them and asked them to keep it in the shop without giving money unless and until they made sure that it was sold. After a few months, he noticed that people were interested in buying it and decided to make this business and expanded his business all around India. And now he is a 100 crore businessman. From this we can see that he never gave up in life. And now he is living with the thought in his mind that he should go across all challenges that come in his life. In all of us, if something difficult comes in our life, what we think first is that it's impossible or it can't be done. But if you change your mindset and decide to do it, anything in the world is possible.